Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to explore beautiful hairstyle ideas for women over 60. No matter your age, you can always look stylish, elegant and confident. As we grow older, our hair may become thinner, softer or grey. But with the right hairstyle, you can still look fresh and beautiful every day. One of the most popular hairstyles for women over 60 is the short bob haircut. The bob is simple, neat and easy to manage. It frames the face nicely and gives a clean and modern look. Another great option is the pixie haircut. Pixie cuts are very short and comfortable. They are perfect for women who want a fresh, light and youthful style. This haircut is also great for thin hair because it adds volume. Layered hairstyles are also a wonderful choice. Layers give your hair more movement and make it look fuller. Even if your hair is thin, layers can make a big difference. Shoulder length layers hairstyles are very elegant. This length is not too short and not too long. It is easy to style and looks soft and graceful. You can wear it straight or add soft waves. Many women over 60 now proudly keep their hair naturally grey. Grey hair looks very classy and beautiful. With the right haircut, it can look modern and stylish. Soft waves are another lovely idea. They make your hair look fuller and give a gentle and feminine look. This style is perfect for both everyday life and special occasions. Bangs can also make your lifestyle easy. Soft or side bangs can frame your face and give a younger appearance. Low maintenance hairstyles are very important for women. Simple cuts that are easy to manage can save time and effort every day. Taking care of your hair is also very important. Use good shampoo and conditioner to keep your hair soft and healthy. Regular trims will help your hair look neat and fresh. The most important thing is confidence. Choose a hairstyle that makes you feel comfortable and happy. When you feel good, you look beautiful. Women over 60 can look graceful, stylish and confident with the right hairstyle. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. Best designer ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is beautiful and trendy. You can visit my channel and see more collection about women fashion. New and attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.